free temples from government control. Most of the popular temples in Kerala are under the control of various devasams, an extension of the government machinery. But why such an arrangement only for the temples? No mosques or churches come under the control of the state. And why such a state of affairs is witnessed in a secular state? A secular state is not supposed to control and manage religious institutions, and it is against the secular credentials that religious institutions are governed by the state. Article 26 of the Indian Constitution bestows the fundamental right on all religions. But the fact is something else. The state governments control over 4 lakh out of an estimated 9 lakh temples across the country. In this backdrop, there are demands to amend the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments HRNC Act 1951. The HRNC Act is being misused by the state governments to take over temples and maintain complete control over them and their properties. In fact, the Constitution has made a provision facilitating the intervention of the state in the event of mismanagement. But even this should be for only a definite period as to correct the misdeeds, if any, alleged. But despite all these provisions being spelled out clearly in the Constitution, the state government has been controlling the Hindu temples in many states, so also in Kerala. This enables the changing governments to implement their whims and fancies in the temples. Mystic and visionary Sadhguru of Isha Yoga Center in Coimbatore has recently launched a campaign to stop the government control over the temples in Tamil Nadu. The mystic is hopeful of getting this dream translated into reality by 2022. There has to be a mass movement in Kerala also against the state's control over temples. The argument by some quarters to take over all other religious institutions also is a wrong proposition. The controlling of any religious institution is against the secular credentials of the Constitution. Hence, that idea is doing yet another wrong. The only option is to get temples in Kerala out of the control of the state government. The total control of temples by the government is nothing but holding one religion at ransom. This is nothing but discrimination against the Hindus in their own land. It was in November 2019 that BJP MP Dr. Satyapal Singh had introduced a private bill in the parliament seeking a removal of the government control over temples. The bill demands that the state shall not control, administer or manage any religious institution. Government shall not frame any law that allows it to control a religious institution. All communities should be allowed to maintain their religious institutions. This bill has been introduced in the parliament, but there has not been a follow-up in this. It said that there are several contentious issues that now need to be resolved by the government. Several cases in this regard are pending in the Supreme Court. Now, the ball is in the court of the government, which needs to redress the issues and relieve temples from the clutches of the government machinery. Someone has to do something in this regard. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.